If you saw the last video, you know my marketplace BMW broke down after just 300 miles. First, I checked the battery terminals with the multimeter and everything seemed fine. Then, I found this random unplugged connector. I took the battery to O'Reilly's to rule it out once and for all. Back home, I checked the ground cable underneath the car and honestly, it almost looked brand new. But when I peeked in the engine bay, I found something else and it might finally explain some of the issues that we are having. Stay tuned and subscribe to find out what happens next.